Hello, I'm CJ Parker with Case IH, here today to talk to you about the liquid calibration procedure in your Case IH planner. The first thing I would recommend when you first perform this calibration is to start off using water and go through the calibration process. This ensures that if there's any loose fittings or leaks in the system, you will be dripping water on your planner instead of corrosive fertilizer. Once you have ran the water through and ensured all your fittings are tight and there are no cracks in the system, drain the water out and perform the final calibration using the product you will be using during planner operation. Before you begin to go into the liquid calibration for your fertilizer, please refer to your operator's manual to ensure you have the correct orifice size for the material and the rate that you plan on applying during planning operation. To get into the liquid calibration wizard, you can hit work condition and then go to the liquid tab. On the Pro 700 display, there is instructions at the top to help guide you through the process. You have your work condition named, and this example is plant with liquid, and then we have our liquid cal value in liters. To ensure the most efficient process, the default liquid cal value is at 200 liters. Hit next. It'll tell you the last time you performed a liquid cal and the last time it was saved. Hit next, and then make sure all your hydraulics are engaged to operate the functions on the planner, such as the alternator. The next step in the planner liquid calibration wizard is to enter the speed at which you want the pump to run, or the planner to run. It's recommended that you use the intended planting speed that you are going to be using when you perform the liquid calibration. There's two different ways to perform the actual calibration. The first way is with the tether cord that plugs into the back of the planner utilizing the cal switch. The other way is the manual start-stop that can be operated from inside the cab of the tractor. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and use the manual start-stop. So you press run to turn everything on from the cab, and you can watch your measured flow through the flow meter here. Once that flow is stabilized, use a beaker or another apparatus to catch the fertilizer discharging from the row unit, and it is a timed sample for 60 seconds. So at a calibration number of 200 liters, the target is 25.9 fluid ounces per minute per nozzle. It'll measure how much the flow is. The next step is to take the amount of fertilizer that you have actually caught from where the fertilizer has discharged and put in here what that actual flow was. Once you put the actual flow that you measured, you press the calibrate button and it'll give you your updated liquid cal value. It is recommended to perform this procedure at least 3 times to make sure that you have an accurate cal value. And this is when your calibration has been done and is completed. It is strongly recommended, once you get your final calibration number, to write that number down, preferably in the back of the operator's manual, so you always have your calibration number handy in case you ever lose it. For more information on liquid calibration utilizing the Pro 700 display, refer to your operator's manual or talk to your local Case IH dealer.